To send your reports using payroll software, first go to gov.uk and pick a software package. They've all been recognised by us and come with a user guide if you need more help. You'll need to enter your employer details, including your HMRC reference numbers, and your employees' details, including their national insurance numbers. Next, register for a PAYE online account on gov.uk. Enter details of how you pay your employees, including their monthly salary, weekly wage, or hourly pay rate and number of hours worked. Using your software, you're now ready to send us a full payment submission, or FPS, on or before each payday. Your FPS tells us what you've paid your employees, any deductions you've made from their pay, the total you're due to pay HMRC, and about anyone who's joined or left since your last report. If you don't send your FPS reports on time, you may be charged a penalty. One more thing, you may need to send us an employer payment summary if you're not sending an FPS because you haven't paid your employees, you're reducing your PAYE payments to reclaim statutory payments to employees such as maternity pay, or you're claiming employment allowance. For more information about payroll software and sending reports, go to gov.uk.